auto parts stores. So
In this video, we take a closer look at tuning up a 2018 Toyota Corolla Glee. We'll show you step by step how to improve the performance of your vehicle by upgrading key components like the air intake, exhaust system, and suspension. We'll also provide valuable tips on how to maximize the horsepower and torque of your car, as well as how to enhance its handling and driving experience. Whether you are a car enthusiast looking to get more out of your vehicle or simply want to learn more about the tuning process, this video is for you. Join us as we explore the world of car tuning and show you how to make the most of your Toyota Corolla Glee. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Number 1. Cleaning the oxygen sensor can be a good way to improve the performance and efficiency of your vehicle's engine. Here are some steps you can follow to clean your oxygen sensor. Number 1. Locate the oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor is usually located on the exhaust manifold or the exhaust pipe. Number 2. Remove the oxygen sensor. Use a wrench to loosen the oxygen sensor from the exhaust pipe or manifold. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector and remove the sensor. Number 3. Clean the oxygen sensor. Use a wire brush to remove any debris or buildup on the oxygen sensor. Be careful not to damage the sensor wires or connectors. Number 4. Soak the sensor in cleaning solution. Use a specialized oxygen sensor cleaning solution, which can be found at most auto parts stores. Soak the sensor in the solution for the recommended time. Cleaning the catalytic converter filter involves removing the converter, inspecting and cleaning the filter with a specialized solution, rinsing and drying it, and reinstalling the converter. It's important to note that in some cases, the filter may be permanently clogged and cannot be cleaned. Now I will clean the catalytic converter filter. First put 2 liters of water in it. Then put the catalytic converter cleaner and start the car. You can see how much carbon and rust is coming out of it. Due to which the vehicle average is greatly affected. Now I am opening its spark plug. It's also in very bad condition. There is a lot of carbon on the spark plug. Cleaning the carbon with the help of a brush. And here is its throttle body. I have also cleaned it well. After all the work is done, now we will test drive this car. I asked the driver how the car is running now and he replied that it is much better than before and it feels lighter. I hope you liked my video today. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.